In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play split-screen games on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy-to-follow instructions on how to properly set up split screen so you can share the same screen or monitor with a friend and play together. So I want to make it very clear, for this video, I chose to use Portal 2 as an example, but of course there are many other games that support split screen on PC. Steam even has a page dedicated to them. So as you can see, you have Trackmania, It Takes Two, which is extremely popular, Resident Evil 6, Unravel 2, A Way Out. The point is, in general, the steps are going to be the same. Of course, it's going to differ slightly for every single game, but for most of them, what you will do is connect a controller to your PC. Sometimes you will be able to do split screen with one keyboard and one controller, while other times you might need two controllers. This is going to depend on the game. So even though I'm going to give you general instructions in this video, it is important for you to research how to do split screen on your specific game. For Portal 2, all that you have to do is, like I said, connect a controller to your PC, and once it is connected, you go to play cooperative game, and as you can clearly see, the option is available at the bottom, local split screen. So you press X on the controller, and you will load into split screen immediately. Most games that support split screen are going to function like this. So you open the game with a controller connected to your PC. This can be done with a cable or wirelessly. And immediately upon loading in, as you can see, you will be able to do split screen. So one of you will control the left side and the other one will control the right one. So for some reason, I cannot move with my controller, but you can clearly see that it is working. So if I press a button on my controller, I'm able to zoom in and shoot portals. But like I said, my joystick doesn't seem to be working. I apologize. However, either way, you can clearly see that it works. And like I said, the general steps are going to be the same for any game that has split screen natively on PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to play split screen games on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.